Hello, you wonderful people. That wasn't me there in the background doing that. No, no, it wasn't me. It does sound like me when I'm walking up the stairs. I'm naff. Here we have a brand new video from Zontes for their new 350T, 350cc bike. And we're giving you brand new content and you can't find anywhere else on YouTube for an oil filter change. Chinese subtitles, obviously, it's a brand new video. I think the bike's only been released in China at the moment. The bike's engine oil has obviously been drained first. When you buy a new oil filter, you get the rings, what is just taken off there, the sealing rings, the rubber ones, so you put a new one on. And there's one on the cap there as well that he takes off as well. Like I say, when you buy a new filter, they come with them as well. They'll come with them. You can clean up now. What it doesn't show you is on that housing he's got there, there's a hole that you have to line up on the actual filter housing. You see the hole there on the right hand side? You just saw a glimmer of it by his second finger up on the right. So you put that onto there, that comes with the filter. And you put that onto there. There's a spring that goes on the left of the filter. Wipe out the housing. Like I said, there is a hole you have to line up because you all have to feed for that hole to go through the filter. Otherwise, the filter doesn't work. No oil can get through. See that hole there, top of the outside filter housing? It goes through and there's a hole on the housing internally that you'll see if you have a little look so you can place it in the right position. When he's fixing the three nuts back on again, it's about 12 Newton meters, just finger tight really. Nice and easy, isn't it? Do it yourself, you don't have to pay a dealer to do your stuff. Like I say, Zontes give you all the videos. I've got them in Arabic, I've got them in French, I've got them in Spanish, English and Chinese subtitles. Look at my playlist, you'll see them all in there. So like I say, about 12 Newton meters, about 1.5 Newton meters either way. So just finger tighten them first and then put the torque, their type of torque wrench on it, just to tighten it up a little bit. And that's it, job's a good one. Easy, innit? Then you fill up with oil at the side, 1.6 litres if you don't change the oil filter, but if you're doing this oil filter, it's 1.7 litres of 10 watt 50 or 5 watt 40 engine oil. Well, thank you for watching. Lots of content coming. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out any good content. This is Mad Mick signing off. Thank you for watching.